Good afternoon, students. Now, the topic of today's discussion is drug fennel. Now, continuing with the topic, this is fennel, which is also known as saunf in common language in Hindi, and it is also known as a synonym of this particular drug. Now, the botanical name of fennel is Phoeniculum vulgare, belonging to the family Umbelliferae. Means it consists of seeds of the plant Phoeniculum vulgare belonging to family Umbelliferae. Umbelliferae फैमिली के जो भी फ्रूट्स होते हैं या प्लांट्स होते हैं, जो भी ड्रग्स होती है अम्बेलिफेरी फैमिली में, वो होती हैं अम्बेलिफेरी। क्यों बोलते हैं कि अम्ब्रेला शेप के जो फ्रूट्स होते हैं, लाइक कोरिएंडर हो गया, फेनल हो गया, ये सब क्या है, अम्ब्रेला शेप के फ्रूट्स हैं, डिल वगैरह, ठीक है। तो ये सारे जितने भी फ्रूट्स हैं आपके इस कैटेगरी के, वो सब अम्बेलिफेरी फैमिली में आते हैं। नाउ the synonyms of fennel are, in English it is known as fennel, sweet fennel and bitter fennel. Two types of fennel is commonly used. First is sweet fennel and second is bitter fennel. Next, the Urdu name of fennel is saunf. The basic parts used are dried ripe fruits. Chemical classification of this particular drug is volatile oil. ठीक है, this is a volatile oil containing drug. Now, geographical source you can say, and origin and distribution of fennel is, it is indigenous to the Mediterranean but has become widely naturalized in many parts of the world. It especially on dry soils near the sea coast and the river banks. Means basically ये dry soils में या फिर sea coast में और river banks के पास ये मिलती है. India is the top producer of fennel seeds in the world. Fennel is known in various names in different parts of the country. In Hindi, it is known as saunf. Major production centers of fennel in India are Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka and Haryana. Now, the cultivation and collection. In cultivation and collection, first, the requirement of soil and climatic conditions are as follows. Cool and dry climate is basically best for the cultivation of fennel. Dry and cool weather during the seed set increases seed yield and quality of the production of fennel. Fennel can be cultivated in all types of soils that are rich in organic matter. Best soils for fennel cultivation are black cotton soil and loamy soil, which contains lime in it. Lime means calcium oxide. Proper drainage is required for the commercial cultivation of this fennel drug. Fennel seeds can be directly sown in the main field or seedlings can be raised in nursery beds and later they get transplanted in the main field. It can be done by direct sowing. The time of sowing is mid-September to mid-October. Rate of seedling or sowing time, that is 10 to 12 kg per hectare direct sowing method के through. The spacing between two rows is 45 to 60 centimeter row by row. Next, transplanting after a particular time period, like seedlings are raised during June or July on well prepared nursery beds. Afterwards, 7 to 8 weeks old seedlings are transplanted in the field in the month of August. You can see the cultivation of fennel, particularly the rows between two particular crop of fennel. Next, fertilization. At the time of field preparation, farmyard manure is added. Farmyard manure is organic matter at the rate of 10 to 15 tons per hectare. Afterwards, apply 90 kg in the 3 equal splits, first as basal dose, means along with 40 kg per hectare pentoxide, phosphorus pentoxide, and third application at 30 and 60 days after sowing. ठीक है, मतलब सबसे पहले हम फार्म यार्ड मैन्योर डालेंगे ड्यूरिंग द फर्टिलाइजेशन पीरियड, नेक्स्ट नाइट्रोजन एंड नेक्स्ट इज फॉस्फोरस पेंटॉक्साइड. Weed control. In weed control, weed infestation is a serious problem. First, hoeing and weeding at 30 days after sowing by mechanical and chemical means. Means 30 days जो फर्स्ट होंगे आपके सोइंग के बाद, उसी के अंदर अंदर आपको मैकेनिकल और केमिकल मीन्स के थ्रू वीड कंट्रोल करना होगा. First irrigation done after seed sowing and thereafter 1 or 2 light irrigations are required until seed germination. Afterwards, the crop is irrigated at an interval of about 15 to 25 days. Water stress must be avoided. Means irrigation is required in a particular quantity, but stress in irrigation, stress of water for this particular crop is avoided during the period of flowering and seed formation to improve the yield of this particular drug. Harvesting. Fennel matures in 170 to 180 days time period. It is basically done by plucking the umbels. Umbels means जो इसके seeds हैं, आप देखेंगे ये umbels. When seeds are fully developed and mature but still green in color. Harvesting duration lasts for a month with plucking method being done 2/3 at 10 days intervals. Yield of this particular crop is on an average fennel yields about 9 to 10 quintal per hectare. Now macroscopy means morphology. Color green to yellowish brown. Odor sweet and aromatic. Taste strongly aromatic. Size 5 to 10 into 2 to 4 millimeter. Shape straight or slightly curved. It is 5-sided fruit in the form of cremocarps. Means इसमें 5 sides हैं fruit की. ऐसे fruit को क्या बोलते हैं? Cremocarp with pedicels and rarely found in the form of mericarp. ठीक है, it is a cremocarpus fruit. It is a GPAT question. It is a cremocarpus fruit because of it is a 5-sided fruit with the presence of pedicels and rarely found in the form of mericarps. Fruits are glabrous with straight, prominent, yellow-colored 5 primary ridges and a bifid stylopod at the top. Means इसमें 5 colored primary ridges होती हैं, जिसकी वजह से इसे क्रेमोकार्प बोलते हैं, and इसमें एक stylopod present होता है at the top. It is an orthospermous fruit. Transversely cut surface shows 2 commissural vittae. Vittae means जहाँ पे आपका volatile oil present होता है, and 4 dorsal vittae. 2 commissural vittae and 4 dorsal vittae. ठीक है, 4 सामने 2 पीछे. The embryo is small, embedded in upper end with abundant oily endosperm. Commissural surface of the endosperm are not grooved. Like you can see, this is fennel, primary ridges of fennel, and this is known as the top, that is stylopod. This is the primary ridges and secondary ridges second side होगी, जो internal side होगी. ठीक है, next these are pedicel, जहाँ से आपका stalk joint होता है. Next microscopy. The transverse section of mericarp region of fennel shows 2 prominent surfaces. First is dorsal, second is commissural. Commissural surface has a carpophore and 2 vittae present in it, and the dorsal surface has a total of 5 ridges. The mericarp is divided into pericarp, consisting of the epicarp and the mesocarp, testa and the endocarp. Means जो mericarp है वो divided है pericarp में. Pericarp में क्या है? Epicarp है, mesocarp है, endocarp और testa. Epicarp consists of polygonal cells of epidermis. Epidermis means upper layer, which are tangentially elongated and covered by the cuticle. Cuticle जो कि protect करता है हमारी epidermal layer को. Mesocarp has parenchyma cells with 5 bicollateral vascular bundles. Vascular bundle means जिसमें xylem phloem present होता है. Below each primary ridge, a lignified reticulate parenchyma surrounds the vascular bundle. There are 4 vittae on dorsal surface and 2 vittae on commissural surface or the ventral surface. Inner epidermis or endocarp shows parquetry arrangement. ठीक है. Testa is basically single layered, tangentially elongated cell with yellowish color. Endosperm consists of thick-walled, wide, polyhedral, colorless cells. Cells contains fixed oil, alluron grains, and rosette crystals of calcium oxalate. Now you can see the structure of fennel. This is the transverse section structure of fennel. You can see this is primary ridge. These are vascular bundles. Primary ridge के बाद ये epidermal layer है आपकी. Epidermal के बाद आपका vascular bundle है. This is epicarp layer. This is mesocarp. ठीक है, एपिकार्प आउटर लेयर, उसके बाद आपका मीजोकार्प प्रेजेंट है, फिर वास्कुलर बंडल्स प्रेजेंट है. वास्कुलर बंडल के जस्ट नीचे आप देखेंगे एक क्लोज आपका एक स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉन है, दैट इज रेटिकुलेट पेरेंकाइमा सेल्स. नेक्स्ट इंटरनल लेयर को बोलेंगे आपका एंडोकार्प. एंडोकार्प के अंदर जो आपका पूरा स्ट्रक्चर है दैट इज टेस्टा. नेक्स्ट टेस्टा के अंदर आपके जो सेल्स हैं जहाँ पे आपका वोलेटाइल ऑयल प्रेजेंट होगा दैट इज एंडोस्पर्मिक सेल्स. ये जो जॉइन होगा आपका लेयर जहाँ से आपका एपिकार्प या पूरी लेयर आपकी फैनल की बनी होगी दैट इज कार्पोफोर. कार्पोफोर के जो ऊपर वाला हिस्सा है दैट इज जो एंडोस्पर्मिक सेल्स के जस्ट नीचे का हिस्सा है दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज रेफ. ठीक है, ये सारी जो कैविटीज है इसमें आपके वोलेटाइल ऑयल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. इन कैविटीज को हम बोलते हैं विट्टे, कॉमिशुरल विट्टे एंड वेंट्रल विट्टे. दिस इज सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर. सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर में आप देखेंगे रेटिकुलेट पेरेंकाइमा है, वास्कुलर बंडल है, एंडोस्पर्म, विट्टे, कार्पोफोर एंड रेफ. नेक्स्ट केमिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट. मेजर केमिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ फेनल इज एनीथोल and other constituents are fencon, limonene, estragol, volatile oil, anisic acid, anisialdehyde, salts like sodium, potassium, phosphorus, coumarin, vitamin C and C. फेनकॉन का स्ट्रक्चर आप देख सकते हैं CH3 CH2 ओन ग्रुप ONE CH3 CH3. ठीक है, दिस इज फेनकॉन. एनीथॉल यू कैन सी OCH3 1 6 membered ring CH3. Next uses, it is used as anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory. It is used as carminative. It contains vitamin C which is used as an antioxidant also. It shows anticoagulant effect. Fennel has bronchodilatory effect. It may influence milk secretions. It also contains phosphorus which lowers the level of sodium, which is essential for maintaining the proper blood pressure of the body. Thank you. If you still have any doubt, you can ask in Google Classroom.